Reconnecting in a disconnected world, overcoming emotional distance. In this fast-paced era, it's easy to lose sight of the important things while we're busy chasing after success. We often forget to nurture the emotional bonds that keep us grounded. It's been observed that despite being physically present with each other, we are increasingly becoming emotionally distant. This trend is alarming and disheartening, leading to a surge of loneliness and isolation in modern society. The advent of technology has allowed us to connect with people across the globe. But ironically, it has also made us detached from those sitting right beside us. Our screens often replace face-to-face interactions. We lack genuine conversations, the kind where we pour our hearts out without fear of judgment. We hide behind text messages and emojis, leaving our true emotions unexpressed and our relationships feeling hollow and insincere. Our lives have become a series of routines, leaving little room for spontaneity and adventure. We've forgotten how to live in the moment, how to appreciate the simple joys that life offers. We've become so focused on our personal goals that we've neglected our relationships. We're so caught up in achieving our dreams that we forget to enjoy the journey and the companionship of those around us. It's high time we realize that human connection is more than just physical presence. It's about sharing experiences, understanding each other's perspectives, and being there for each other in times of need. We need to rekindle the lost art of conversation, to genuinely listen and express our feelings openly. We need to put down our screens and engage in heartfelt dialogues that build deeper connections. Let's break free from our monotonous routines and make room for fun and adventure. Let's create memorable experiences with our loved ones that will last a lifetime. We need to balance our personal aspirations with our relationships. It's important to remember that success is even more fulfilling when shared with the ones we love. Reconnecting in a disconnected world may seem daunting, but it's not impossible. It all starts with acknowledging the problem and making a conscious effort to change. Remember, at the end of the day, it's the relationships we build and the love we share that truly enrich our lives. So, let's start reconnecting today for a happier, healthier, and more fulfilled tomorrow. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing for more content like this.